Welcome to our channel. It's Ned Voyage. We're thrilled to have you join us on this journey. Today, we're diving into some essential eco-friendly travel tips to help you reduce your carbon footprint. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, these tips will guide you towards more sustainable adventures. The modern world has opened the door to travel in ways unimaginable to previous generations. With just a few clicks, we can book flights, find accommodations, and plan entire itineraries. This convenience, however, comes with its own set of challenges. Yet this incredible opportunity comes at a cost. The environmental impact of travel is significant, from the carbon emissions of flights to the waste generated by tourism. The very act of traversing our planet while enriching our lives can leave a mark on the delicate ecosystems we strive to experience. These pristine environments are often the most vulnerable to the effects of tourism, but fear not, for with a little consideration and a shift in habits, we can explore our world while preserving its splendor. Simple changes like choosing eco-friendly accommodations, reducing plastic use, and supporting local communities can make a big difference. Start by packing reusable items such as water bottles, shopping bags, and utensils. This reduces the need for single-use plastics, which are a major pollutant in many travel destinations. Opt for public transportation, biking, or walking whenever possible. Not only does this reduce your carbon footprint, but it also allows you to experience your destination in a more intimate and authentic way. Support local businesses and choose eco-friendly tours. Community-based tourism initiatives often provide more sustainable options and help preserve the local culture and environment. Always respect wildlife and follow eco-friendly guidelines. Avoid disturbing natural habitats and be mindful of your impact on the environment. By adopting these practices, we can ensure that our travels leave a positive impact. Let's embark on a greener path together, making every journey a step towards a more sustainable future. Our journey to sustainable travel begins with a crucial decision: how we choose to move. The choices we make in our mode of transport can significantly impact the environment. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, but how we do it that matters. While the allure of swift air travel is undeniable, opting for trains or buses dramatically reduces your carbon footprint. Airplanes, though fast, are one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. In contrast, trains and buses are far more energy efficient and eco-friendly. These modes of transport, often overlooked, offer a chance to witness the world unfold at a gentler pace. Imagine sitting by the window watching the scenery change slowly, giving you time to appreciate the beauty of the landscapes. It's a more relaxed and enriching way to travel. Rolling plains give way to towering mountains. Bustling cities blend into tranquil countrysides, a tapestry of experiences missed from the sky. Each moment offers a new view, a new story, and a deeper connection to the places you pass through. It's a journey that engages all your senses. And for shorter distances, consider embracing the freedom of two wheels. Cycling is not only an environmentally friendly option but also a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local culture and scenery. Cycling not only minimizes your impact but also provides a healthy and immersive way to explore your destination. It allows you to go at your own pace, stop whenever something catches your eye, and truly experience the essence of the place. Whether it's a quaint village or a bustling city, cycling offers a unique perspective and a sense of freedom that other modes of transport can't match. Before embarking on your adventure, take a moment to consider your luggage. The weight we carry has a direct impact on fuel consumption. By packing light, we lighten the load not only on our shoulders, but also on our planet. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched, reducing the need for excess. Remember, some of the most cherished souvenirs are the memories we make, not the things we accumulate. Staying hydrated is essential, especially when exploring new and exciting destinations. But the convenience of single-use plastic bottles comes at a steep environmental price. Instead, opt for a reusable water bottle. A small change with a significant impact. Refill it at your hotel, at restaurants, or seek out public water fountains. By choosing to reuse, we conserve resources and protect our oceans from plastic pollution. Chapter 4. Finding Sanctuary, Eco-Friendly Accommodations. Choosing where we rest our heads each night provides another opportunity to make eco-conscious decisions. Seek out accommodations that prioritize sustainability. Look for hotels and lodgings that have implemented energy-saving measures, water conservation programs, and waste reduction initiatives. Many eco-friendly accommodations are often locally owned and operated, further supporting the local economy and reducing your environmental impact. Chapter 5. Savoring the Flavors of Sustainability, Supporting Local Businesses. One of the joys of travel is experiencing the unique flavors of a new place. By choosing to dine at local restaurants and purchase goods from local vendors, we not only tantalize our taste buds, but also support the local community. Locally sourced ingredients reduce the carbon footprint associated with transportation, and your patronage helps preserve traditional crafts and supports sustainable practices. Chapter 6. Offsetting our journey, balancing the scales. While we strive to minimize our impact, some travel emissions are unavoidable. However, we can take responsibility for our carbon footprint by investing in carbon offset programs. These initiatives support projects around the world that reduce greenhouse gas emissions, such as reforestation efforts or renewable energy development. By offsetting our emissions, we contribute to a healthier planet and balance the scales of our travel impact. Chapter 7. Small actions, big impact, reducing energy consumption. Conserving energy isn't just important at home, it's crucial while traveling as well. Simple actions like turning off lights when leaving your hotel room, unplugging electronic devices and using natural light whenever possible can significantly reduce energy consumption. Remember, every watt saved contributes to a greener planet. Chapter 8. Breaking up with single-use plastics. Single-use plastics have infiltrated nearly every aspect of our lives, and travel is no exception. But we can combat this pervasive pollution by packing our own reusable alternatives. Bring a reusable shopping bag for souvenirs, carry a reusable coffee cup for your morning caffeine fix, and pack your own toiletries in refillable containers. These small changes add up to a significant reduction in plastic waste. Chapter 9. Guardians of Nature, Respecting Wildlife and Habitats. As we venture into the world, it's essential to remember that we are guests in the homes of countless species. Observe wildlife from a respectful distance, avoid disturbing their natural habitats, and never purchase products made from endangered or threatened species. Let's be responsible stewards of the natural world and ensure its beauty for generations to come. Chapter 10. Sharing the journey, educating others. Our commitment to eco-friendly travel doesn't end with our own actions. By sharing these tips with friends, family, and fellow travelers, we can inspire others to make conscious choices. Spread awareness about the importance of sustainable travel, encourage others to reduce their carbon footprint, and together let's create a global movement of responsible explorers. Outro Journey Onward. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us, exploring the beauty of our planet and the importance of sustainable travel. Each destination we visit holds unique wonders and stories, waiting to be discovered and cherished. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ned Voyage for more eco-friendly advice. Safe travels. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content that inspires and educates. Together we can make a positive impact on the world. As we've journeyed together through these tips, remember that every step we take towards sustainability, no matter how small, makes a difference. From choosing eco-friendly accommodations to reducing our carbon footprint, our actions contribute to a healthier planet. The future of travel, a future where exploration and conservation go hand in hand, rests in our collective actions. By supporting local communities, respecting wildlife, and preserving natural habitats, we ensure that the places we love remain vibrant and thriving. Let's continue to explore our world, cherish its wonders, and protect its future for generations to come. Every adventure is an opportunity to learn and grow, to connect with nature and each other. So, pack your bags with a sense of responsibility and wonder, and let's journey onward together.